Shri Sai Ram, offering my most humble pranam at the lotus feet of our beloved Bhagwan Shri Satya Sai Baba. A very loving Sai Ram to all my dear brothers and sisters. I welcome you on behalf of the team to the 47th episode of the Shri Satya Sai Ashtotram series. We hope you will enjoy listening to the episode as much as we enjoyed preparing it. Om Shri Sai Kalusha Viduraya Namaha. Salutations to Shri Sai, who removes the faults and blemishes in all of us. When Bhagwan draws his devotees closer, he removes their faults and weaknesses. This enables his devotees to carry out their duties in the right manner. But can our faults be hidden from Bhagwan Baba? Right from his childhood, he was very particular that everyone should stay away from bad habits. Here is a story that highlights this aspect. Swami was just 8 years old at the time. A well-known person living in Puttaparthi had a bad habit of collecting friends and gossiping with them all day long. Satyanarayana noticed this fault and he also knew its bad effects. The person indulging in gossip himself becomes idle and makes others idle too. Little Satya found a remedy for this. He composed a song and taught it to his friends. When this group of people were sitting around and indulging in gossip, the children would go in their vicinity and sing the song. This song conveyed to the listeners, "Oh, elderly people, your behavior is not ethical. If you don't follow righteousness, your friends will hate you. They will leave you and may even beat you." After hearing the song, the main culprit became uneasy. But by and by, all of them grasped the truth behind it and improved their ways. Satya composed many similar poems and skits in which he highlighted the defects prevailing in our society. One of the popular skits composed by little Satya was called Cheppinastu Chestara, which means, should we not behave and do the way we talk? Here is an interesting story from the Shirdi Avatar. In 1911, a young man named Vaman Bhai Patel went to Shirdi for Sainath's darshan and wished to become worthy of his grace. Very lovingly, Sainath addressed him as Babu, and other devotees also started calling him Babu. Due to his young age and growing body, Babu could not control his hunger. Once, due to uncontrollable hunger pangs, he kept eating sugar all day long. To help him overcome this bad habit, the omniscient Sainath told him a story. Sai said, "There was a person who was staying with me. He was suffering from tuberculosis. One morning, I woke him up very early and gave him a handful of sugar to eat and locked him up in a room. He was so thirsty that he caused a big uproar to come out of the room. But according to my instructions, nobody helped him. Finally, he was allowed to come out in the afternoon and was given some food. He was cured in this manner. If one feels like eating sugar, one should eat just a little bit." Babu realized his mistake and gave up his addiction for eating sugar. Once, this same Babu, uncontrollably hungry, felt like eating laddus. So, he went to an innkeeper named Vasudev. Sainath saw him from afar and shouted, "You're going to eat, but you will die." But Babu ignored his warning and proceeded to the inn and ate 3 laddus made out of besan. The result was that, as per Sainath's prediction, the next morning, Babu suffered from severe stomachache and diarrhea and started feeling uneasy. Finally, in the afternoon, Sainath sent him a piece of sweet barfi as prasad and his health improved. By and by, with the help of Sainath's loving guidance, he was able to overcome his addiction to overeating. साई हमारा हम साई के ऐसा प्रेम हमारा साई राम हमारा सत्य सा